working with Lufthansa for the emergency procedures and training department, and he's going to tell you everything about the U and the emergency procedures. Our flight engineer Bernhard Speth.
Hello.
Hello.
His first training was as a flight engineer, and since there are no more flight engineers on our jets, now he's flying as a flight engineer on the Junkers and as a captain on the Airbus A320. And he's taking care of the engines, and that is why he's also our sound engineer, because he's responsible for the historical noise we make. We don't make...
No, it's music, it's not noise.
Yeah, music. You're absolutely right. Yeah. Historical music.
Yeah.
Werner Herrmann is a captain on the Lufthansa A320, and I'm Wilfried Weber, and I'm flying on the Lufthansa A380. So, weather permitting, and it looks very great today, we're going to take you up to the north to the Roskilde fjord and then back to the airport. On our way, you will have the opportunity to come up to the flight deck, just step in and raise and enjoy the lookout, and you will notice it's very loud on the flight deck. So we are no shy guys, but it's just too loud to make any conversation with you. And when you board the plane, just show some respect and bow your head, otherwise you will hurt your head, and our Junkers doesn't care. Enjoy the flight.
Ganz vorne links geht auch.
Ganz vorne links. Gut.
Jetzt haben wir 10, ne? Er sagte sowieso, die wollen nur anlassen, erst wegen der SAS, vorher blinkt es nicht. First of all, I have to explain to you where you have to get out if necessary in case of an emergency. So where you came in, that is our major emergency exit, but we have also one on the right hand side in front. Whatever you have, when I tell you, you have to open that door. You know, you see, you can open the door like this, and then you run over the wing back from the aircraft. All right. I have to show you how to use the fasten seatbelt. And you take this metal thing here, you put it in here. Yeah, it's a legal requirement by law, so that's the reason why I have to tell you. I know you know all about it, and you have to tighten it a little bit up. And I have to tell you that while you seat and the fasten seatbelt signs are off, you have also strapped in, please. You go in the cockpit, of course, it's not necessary, it's not possible, but whenever you take your seat, please strap in yourself, because once in a while we have slightly turbulent, and it's better for you, you know, it's for your safety, alright? Okay, any questions so far?
Where are you flying?
He said something to Roskilde fjord. Alright, I haven't seen it also, so I'm looking forward to see it. And then back, so that will be, I think, half an hour.
Great.
Whenever you go inside the cockpit, I think we start with you, then you go inside, etc. That everybody has the chance to go in. Please, only for 1 minute, not longer, because the guy in the back, he wants to also go inside, you know. Alright. Make your picture or a short video sequence, and no problem at all for that, right? Well, I start here. When you like, you can purchase postcards, and I have a stamp from today. That is the vision of the cockpit with a stamp, and 5 others. That is approximately 40 crowns. Krone, no? Krone, yeah. And also I offer a DVD, cost you 100 and it's 20, so 150. Yeah? Yes. All right, when you want. All right, so let me check if you are strapped in. That looks good. You're looking forward, huh? Yes. All right, you will find your... Some brief historical information concerning our Junkers 52. The first airplane was constructed in 1930 as a single-engine freight carrier. A year later, the Junkers 52 was introduced as the 3-engine version
and Lufthansa started to operate this type of plane in 1932. Our particular airplane was built in 1936 and used for a short time by Lufthansa under the name of Fritz Simon. Its flying career continued in Norway, Ecuador and finally in the USA, where the plane wrote headlines as Iron Annie. End of 1984, she was flown to Hamburg, where she underwent a 1-year restoration period at the Lufthansa technical base. On the 6th of April 1986, she flew again under the name of Berlin Tempelhof. The engine has 9 cylinders arranged in a radial form and has a capacity of 22 liters of oil. Each engine holds approximately 35 liters and uses approximately 140 liters of super gasoline per hour. When taking off, each engine turns at 2,250 RPM, producing approximately 600 horsepower. Our speed, takeoff speed, 120 km per hour, whereas landing speed is approximately 100 to 110, and our cruising speed slowly 180 to 200 kilometers per hour. Well, what the pilots are doing now, they will check Dear passenger, please remain seated until we have reached our final parking position and the pilots have been cut off the engines. Thank you very much. The entire crew would say thank you for flying with us today, and we hope you enjoy it very much. And we are looking forward to see you again on our Lufthansa aircraft, maybe. And we wish you now a very pleasant weekend, nice Sunday, and we say goodbye to you.